Hi everyone, Alex here. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing on a mini PC by BeeLink. It's the SEi12, and it might be a good option for you if you're looking for a small factor, cost-effective way of having dual display. So it may help you to do some BIM coordination. And I know what you're thinking. Come on Alex, be real man. You're a professional engineer. How are you going to properly run Revit in such a little thing? Well, some light BIM coordination. So let's get to it and let me know what you think in the comments. Hi there, today I want to do a quick unboxing video of a new mini PC by BeeLink. It's a BeeLink SEi. It's this one right here. So let's see what we got. Alright, so what do we have here? A little user's manual, protective sheet. There we go, there it is. We'll talk about it in a little bit. See what else. Protective sheet. You have your HDMI cable. You have your power supply. The other piece of the power supply. Mounting bracket. Another short HDMI cable. And some screws. So what do we have on the front? In the front you have your power button. You have your 3.5mm jack for earphone. You have your Type-C port. It's a Type-C USB port. It's not a Thunderbolt. It's a Type-C. Maybe for your hard drive or for a nice video camera or something like that. Then you have a couple of USB 3.0 and then you have your RCT key. And what do we have on the back? On the back you have your power adapter, you have your 2 HDMI ports for each one of your monitors, and then you have a couple more USB 2, and then you have your LAN connector. As far as specs, this little thing houses an i5 processor, 10 cores at 4.4 GHz of speed, 12 threads, and as far as memory, you have Crucial DDR4. You can get that at 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes. As far as storage, you have a Kingston 500 gigabytes SSD, solid state. As far as video card, you have your 1.2 gigahertz Intel Iris. It runs pretty smoothly, for a little thing like that. You have your Wi-Fi 6 at 2.4 gigabits per second. And this little thing is cooled by 2 fans, one for the CPU and one for the rest of the system. Now, what did I think about it? I found it to be pretty decent for the size and price. It has no Thunderbolt, don't get confused, as a USB-C port. So if you're connecting your dual monitors from the back directly to the HDMI cables, you should be fine. But if you're looking to use that USB-C port as a Thunderbolt to a docking station, it probably won't work like it didn't work for me. However, it does have a nice display if you connect directly to the HDMI. And it's a little noisy, but for the size and price, it's pretty decent. And if you want to find out more about it, you can go to the link in the description.